Revisions are a normal part of freelancing, but for many freelancers, they can feel stressful, frustrating, and even personal, especially when a client keeps asking for small changes that end up taking hours. But here's the truth. How you handle revisions can make or break your freelance reputation. The best freelancers don't fear revisions, they manage them with strategy and calm. Let's talk about how to do that. First, it all starts before you even begin the project. Set clear expectations in your proposal or contract. Mention how many free revisions you include. For example, this package includes 2 rounds of revisions. That one line can save you from endless back and forth later. When clients know there's a limit, they tend to give clearer feedback and respect your time. Next, when revision requests come in, don't react emotionally. Take a deep breath and read the feedback carefully. Most of the time, clients aren't attacking your work. They just have a different vision or didn't communicate it clearly the first time. Respond professionally and say something like, "Thanks for the feedback. I'll make these updates and share the new version by tomorrow." Keeping your tone calm and polite instantly builds trust and shows you're in control. If the feedback is vague, like "Can you make it pop?" or "Something feels off," don't guess. Ask questions to clarify. "Could you please share an example or explain what you'd like changed?" Clear communication saves hours of unnecessary edits. Another key to handling revisions stress-free is organizing your workflow. Keep all client feedback in one place, whether it's a Google Doc, Trello board, or Fiverr chat. Check off each revision as you complete it, so nothing slips through the cracks. This not only keeps you focused but also impresses clients with your professionalism. When revisions are excessive or go beyond what was agreed, gently remind the client of your terms. "I'm happy to make additional changes beyond the 2 included revisions at my hourly rate of X." Setting boundaries isn't rude, it's business. In fact, most clients will respect you more for valuing your time. It's also smart to build revision time into your schedule. Don't book projects back to back without buffer time. Unexpected edits are common, and rushing them leads to burnout. Revisions are an opportunity to improve your work and strengthen client relationships. So approach them with patience and pride. Each one makes your final product sharper and your skills stronger. Also, try to look at feedback objectively sometimes. Clients point out things you might have missed. Use that input to learn and grow instead of taking it personally. Over time, you'll notice patterns in revision requests. Maybe clients often ask for color changes or simpler language, and you can adjust your initial approach to avoid those in the future. Finally, always end the revision process on a positive note. Once the client is satisfied, thank them and say, "I'm glad we fine-tuned this together. Your feedback helped make it even better." That leaves a great final impression and often leads to repeat work or referrals. So, remember, revisions aren't rejections. They are part of collaboration, not a sign of failure. Set clear boundaries, communicate calmly, and stay organized. With the right mindset, revisions stop being stressful and start being your secret weapon to build long-term success as a freelancer.